A campervan, and I'm going on a holiday. Lots of road tripping, and I call it Muffin Top.
How much did you pay for your van, Mom?
$9,500.
Wicked. You gonna drive that bad girl all over BC?
I'm gonna maybe go across Canada one day.
Nice. The Okanagan edition. Ain't she a gem? Walkthrough of a 1981 Dodge Campervan in mint condition. Check out the interior. Plush, shiny. Everything there, everything in order. Not a rip in the seats. Now this is the Cadillac of all motorhomes. 1981. Can you believe it? Now look how clean it is inside. Nice cushions, full out kitchen, bathroom on the right side, closets, gas heat, everything. The mechanics of the doors just work perfect. Like, look at this. Not a bit of rust. She's beautiful. Some good floor in here, some pine. Can't complain, folks. Check out the size of the bed. That top layer slides back and goes down to make a king size. We got a double here, and it even comes with a full out bathroom. Nice, clean, tons of space. You got your stove, you got your fridge, and that's all you need for this classic road trip wagon. It's ready for the road.